of platformer. So let's just get into it. First, I'm going to make a sprite. Okay, now I'm going to set the size to 1000 so you can see the character better. You can also change it to whatever you want if your character is too big, like 890 or something. Okay, look, let's see. When green flag clicked, go to motion. Set rotation style to left, right. No, forever. Then you're going to make a block. You're going to make a block. And then you're going to name it control. Then you're going to add 2 variables. You're going to name this one run. You're going to there, and then you're going to set. So run is the speed that you like, how far it's gonna go. I'm gonna set that to 10, and the jump is the jump height. I'm gonna set that to 15. So now I'm just going to define that. So you're going to grab if space key is pressed, but not the space key. Right arrow is pressed. Motion point in direction 90. Move run steps. Now you're just going to duplicate that. Then you're going to point direction -90. Now, you're going to change this to left arrow, yeah. And now you see, he's going to go left, he's going to go right. The next video, we're going to do jumping. It is kind of laggy. Wait a second, I'll try to fix that. There, now this should work. That's less laggy. Now, that's just his running thing. We're actually not going to do this. I'm going to make a box. And I'm going to fill it in with black. And yeah, we're going to name this hit box. You don't really need this, but I'm just going to add this because, yeah, you're going to make it about the same size as your figure. You're going to make it like that size. And actually, I have something in my backpack I can use. I'm going to use this. I'm going to see if the hitbox is about that size. So you're going to take that, you're going to put it there. Let's see if that's the same size. Yeah, I guess it's about the same size. And you're going to name this. Actually, you're not going to name this. So bye-bye. In the next video, we'll do jumping. This was a very short video.